Hello crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the Simon Says Stamp September 2025 card kit of the month. This is called Birthday Blitz. Well, this is a STAMPtember exclusive card kit and I am really loving at how colorful and vibrant all of the products in this card kit are. Now this is more of a birthday themed card kit, so I absolutely love it because I love creating birthday cards. That's the maximum cards that I have in my stash. I love creating birthdays and thank you cards, and I feel this card kit is the contents on this card kit is something that I will be able to use throughout the year. Well, here is an inspiration sheet of some fun designs created by some amazingly talented designers. This is absolutely perfect for your inspirations, and since there are so many products, you might get stuck or maybe have a little difficulty in getting started, but look at these inspiration sheets and you get an idea of what colors can go with the contents of the kit or what products can be coordinated to create a beautiful card front. Well, before I show you the contents of the kit, let's talk a little about STAMPtember. STAMPtember is a month-long event, a stamping party happening at Simon Says Stamp starting 1st of September to the 30th. You'll have some beautiful stamps and lovely products, great deals, exclusive products, which means that once they're released during this month and sold out, they'll be sold out and they won't be restocked. There will be collaborations with many of your favorite brands, surprises, lots of inspiration, and again, there'll be videos, Instagram, blogs. You can visit the simonsystemblog.com for daily updates. You can use the hashtag STAMPtember on your Instagram profiles or any of your social media profiles to stay connected with the Simon System family. So don't forget to tune in on September 1st. And well, there is a big block party happening, so don't miss out on that. Moving on to the contents of the kit. First, we have some fun birthday sentiments. Now, this is the reverse birthday easy strip and the birthday easy strip. Now, this is part of the easy strips collection. There is something for thank you, Halloween, we have Christmas easy strips. So, there's a lot of variety of sentiment strips that you can find. We have the black and the white. Now, both of these are printed on toner sheets, which means that you could use your foiling machine and add beautiful foils on these sentiments. Now here we have happy birthday in a couple of different styles. We have I'm extending the celebration. Today we are celebrating you, thinking of you on your, you could pair it with any of these birthdays. I love that you have an option of adding the belated sentiment to your cards because let's be honest, there are some times where we forget wishing our near and dear ones. And well, when it's too late to send a birthday card, you end up sending a belated birthday card. We also have sweet wishes on your birthday. It's time to party. You could use them individually or mix and match them to create your own sentiments. Now, Simon's stamp also has the Easy Strips rectangle die, which is a die that cuts out all these sentiments at once. Now, if you're someone like me who is not very good at lining up these sentiments and cutting them out using your paper trimmers, this die is absolutely perfect addition to your crafty stash. Now, like I said, this the Easy Strips sentiments is a collection of variety of different sentiment strips for so many different occasions. So you could pick out any of those, and this would perfectly pair with all your sentiments. Now, it not only cuts out the bigger ones but also the smaller ones. So, in one go, you have all these sentiments ready. You could store them in one of the Simon System storage pouches or in any of maybe even a Ziploc bag. It would be absolutely perfect. I must tell you that this die does not come with a kit. It can be bought separately. I will definitely be sure to leave a link down in the description box below for this die. Moving on, we have some fun colorful cardstocks here. Now these are A2 size cardstocks. There are, I think, 19 of them. A fun assortment of colors. We have purples, teals, blues, even black, some fun greens, and then the warmer tones we have pinks, reds, yellows to the oranges. Now these would be perfect for die cutting, using as your standard A2 size card base, using on your embossing folders, or well, since there are a number of dies included in this kit, I think that would be perfect for those. Now for the best part of the kit are the 4 dies that are included here. Yes, you heard me right. We have 4 dies in this kit. Now I have been getting these Simon Says Stamp card kits for almost 4 years now, and this is the first time ever that I have received so many dies in just one kit. Let me walk you through each one of them. We will start with the party balloons die. Now this is a set of 2 dies. I like that all of these dies are detabbed, so you don't have to take your clippers and try to detab it, in the process showing your fingers. Well, that was a messy process, but this one makes it a lot more easy. The balloon die, there is a big balloon, and this one can be used as a little shadow or a highlight on your balloon, which I feel is perfect. You could cut out using all of those rainbow color cardstocks that were here. You could have some fun oranges, pinks, purples. I think that would make a beautiful party balloon setup or a beautiful focal point. Next we have the Poppin Corn Die set. Again, we have all the components that will be required to create your popcorn tub and little popcorns as well. Now this one also comes with a little etched detail. Um, I love dies that gives regard to tiny little details which make your final products look absolutely stunning, dimensional, and have some kind of texture on them. So here we have the base of the popcorn, the circle, and some fun popcorns which you could again cut out using those colored cardstocks. Next we have the rubber ducky, 4 set of dies to cut out each of those little body parts of our rubber ducky. Now you could use the yellow color cardstock in the bundle and the orange for the beak and black for the eyes. You could also use googly eyes for his little eyes. I think that would be perfect as well. Now this one is my absolute favorite. Well, I must say that as a kid I have always been scared of the Ferris wheel, maybe just fear of heights, but I think I must have sat on the Ferris wheel maybe just twice or thrice because of the height. Well, back then we called it the giant wheel, so, well, Ferris wheel also. This one includes the circle die, which creates the main structure and frame of the Ferris wheel, and we have this base of the Ferris wheel, 2 dies to cut out the carriages, and a little heart which can go on the center of the Ferris wheel. Now here you could use the carriages, cut them out using the same colored cardstock or use rainbow colored cardstock. Absolutely your choice, but this would be a very unique card design, I feel. You could also add some interactive features and make this Ferris wheel turn around or hold it static using some fun foam tape to pop it up. Now, talking about foam tape, this kit also comes with a quarter sheet of the Simon Says Stamp white adhesive foam strips. This is thin enough to go behind all those delicate, intricate details on your Ferris wheel. Moving on to the embossing folders, we have the Birthday Sentiments embossing folder. Now, this is a 3D embossing folder. When it comes to 3D embossing folder, I love Simon Says Stamp's 3D embossing folder. They give an absolutely beautiful etched detail. And well, the font on all these sentiments is absolutely stunning. With the right paper, type of paper, it would give you absolutely beautiful results. Now the cardstocks here are perfect to go inside these embossing folders. Now since these are a lot thicker, these cardstocks are a lot thicker than the ones I would use on the embossing folder, I will make sure I mist the papers just so that the fibers loosen up and the paper does not crack or tear in the process. Next, we have some fun papers included in the kit. Again, just like how colorful the cardstocks have been, these papers are also very retro, movie themed, and it'll take you back in time definitely. Now, here you could cut out these sentiments and you could use the whole panel as is or cut out the sentiments. We have some fun polka dot patterns, arrows. You could cut out these arrows individually and use them on your card fronts, write small little notes or stamp small little words. You can use them in so many different ways. Beautiful polka dots again and rainbow pattern. We have some fun stars and bows. Now this is my absolute favorite color combination, pinks and oranges. I will definitely be using this on one of my card fronts, but I also love this pattern which can be used as just the card front. Now this is one thing I don't like about the double-sided pattern papers is it gets so difficult to choose between which side you want. Now here I love the balloons and I love this, so that will also be a definitely difficult choice. Here you could create small little tags or use this fun beautiful color combination of again pink and oranges. Here this is a very unique design. You could cut out each of those little sentiments and create your own sentiment strip. Like if I'm using the popcorn, I could use like food and drinks, and maybe in the theater, or if I'm using the Ferris wheel, I could use the word rides. There are so many different ways we could use this, or again use this pattern paper as your background. Now here you could cut these out individually, stamp your sentiment, or add some fun details from the card kit, or use this absolutely gorgeous paper. Now this I think will be my favorite pattern among all the patterns. I love the color combination here and those little stars really stand out. Here I have a radiating rainbow design. Again, beautiful, very subtle design on this one. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. And on the other hand, a bright contrast, vibrant colors here. Now this one I feel will give a very retro look to our background. I would use some vintage looking browns to create a vintage retro style movie theme card. Now for this one, I would definitely cut out all these four panels and use them on four different cards. Or how could you miss this fun stripe pattern? Again, we can create four cards using these. We have Shine Bright, You're the Best, Hope Your Day is Poppin', Love You a Bunch, or use this absolutely fabulous design. So those were all the pattern papers included in the kit. Moving on to the stamp set. Now this is the Birthday Blitz stamp set. This is a STAMPtember exclusive. We have a beautiful radiating sun with the center, a smiley face, and a beautiful cloud. Now this is very much my style because it's more of a clean and simple design. I absolutely love the font on these sentiments. We have Hope Today is Full of Love, Laughter and Sunshine, Birthday Wishes, Love to You on Your Birthday, Happy Birthday, Here's to a Beautiful Birthday, and But That Hill. Now this one I feel, since we have the sentiment, could be used as a hill or maybe a river, stream or a wave, and I think that would pair perfectly with the rubber ducky die as well. Now Simon Says Stamp does have coordinating dies for these. It is not included in the kit but can be bought separately. I will definitely be leaving links to all of these products down in the description box below. I'm not sure if the kit is still available, but I will be linking all of the products individually, so along with the coordinating dies, you can check them out. Now, the final thing here is this absolutely gorgeous cardstock. This is the holographic rainbow diagonal cardstock. That diagonal striped rainbow design is absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comments below, how do you use your holographic cardstocks? Do you create card bases, or do you use them as your sentiment strips or backgrounds? How do you like using your holographic or metallic cardstocks? So that was a look at all the contents in the kit. We have this absolutely stunning cardstock, a beautiful simple design on the stamp set, some fun pattern papers, lots of colorful papers. We have an embossing folder, birthday sentiments embossing folder. We have 4 different die sets, 2 sentiment strips, and some foam strips. I absolutely love this Birthday Blitz 2025, September 2025 card kit, and this is something I would definitely recommend you adding to your stash. I will be posting videos of cards that I create using contents of this kit and some other contents from, well, outside the kit. Stay tuned for all those videos. All the supplies you see here and some of my favorites as well, including the Easy Strips rectangle die. I will link to all of these down in the description box below. Please note that all of those links are affiliate links, which means that if you shop using one of my links, I get a small commission at no cost to you guys. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.